Angle DEF is similar to angle ABC. DEF is smaller than ABC, and they have a ratio of 4 to 9. BG equals 2 times AB. Calculate the surface area of the orthohedron. Let's find the surface area of the box. Ready? We have similar triangles in the problem. Let's explore that. First, we need to determine the ratio of similarity. Let's calculate it. Now plug in the side values as given in the problem. Great! Next we'll find AC. Here's how. Multiply by the denominators to clear any fractions. Now we know AC's length. Well done! Let's use the same steps to discover the length of A minus B. Awesome! Now you've got the length of AB. The box's length, BG, is twice the length of AB. Substitute and solve to find the length of BG. Fantastic! You found BG's length. Use the Pythagorean theorem in triangle ABC to find BC. Substitute the values to calculate BC. Here we go. Focus on separating side CB. Great work! Now we know the length of CB. Time to calculate the surface area of the box. Let's use the formula. Plug in the values and solve for the surface area. Remember to solve the parentheses first. And there you go! That's how we solve this problem. You've got it!